Tony Santo here with the unboxing of the Chamonix 8x10 Alpinist Convertible X view camera. Boy, that's a mouthful. So let's get into it here. I purchased this view camera on June 15th of this year and received it just 7 days later on June 22nd. So that was a very, very fast delivery. I was impressed with that. Packaged very well. It's light. Let's see if we can get the shipping label out of there. We'll just toss that aside and try to cut this tape open. There's quite a bit of it. We need a little more blade there. An adventure just getting into the box here. Alright, there we go, getting into it. Just close the blade up. Comes in a nice molded foam insert here, that's beautiful. There's a case, and we'll just take that box, toss that off to the side there, and bring out the camera from this plastic. And let's pull that out. First thing to note is that this is really, really light. It's something that I appreciate in a large format camera, given the fact that I am getting older and it makes it a little bit more challenging to hike with a heavy backpack. So the camera comes wrapped in plastic here. Just want to see about unraveling this without actually causing any kind of damage to the camera and not having to use a blade. I think we can put that blade aside for now. This is very, very exciting. I may have spoken too soon about that blade. There we go, it's wrapped one way. And now we'll just have to find where it is wrapped going in the other direction. Alright, we'll do this the old-fashioned way. We'll just tear into it with my hands. There we go. And there we have it. Boy, that is beautiful. You know, two of the reasons why I wanted this camera was, one, it's lightweight, and the second being that I really appreciate the craftsmanship of some of the more traditional view cameras like my Zone 6 camera. So this had both in one package, and I really appreciate that. Now let's see if I can remember how to open this camera up. I believe you just loosen the knobs there. It should lock into position at the 90 position. And the front standard, just have to loosen the knobs. So let's see if I can do that. And then you extend outward, toss that aside, and then that flips up, and we can install it in one of the screws located on the base of the camera here, and we can lock that into position. Well, there you have it. The Chamonix 8x10 Convertible Alpine X camera. Absolutely beautiful. The craftsmanship is amazing, and it's a lightweight camera, so it's a perfect combination of both those worlds. As always, thanks for watching.